Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We can wait for a couple of minutes. Am I right? 1 or 2 minutes we will wait, right?
Yes, sir, we are yet to receive the schools to join the meeting.
Sure. 5 to we will start, I hope.
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay, sir. If we get the actual
Thank
numbers, we shall start by 5 to.
Sure, sure. Thank you.
Yeah.
Shweta ma'am.
Sorry, I was on mute. I'm speaking. Yes, sir.
No problem. We can start, I
Yeah,
hope.
yeah,
It's
yeah, yeah,
slowly increasing, I guess. They will join.
yeah.
Huh? We will start.
Okay, okay, okay. Please start the recording.
Thank you. Thank you.
Namaste, a very happy evening to all my dear students, teachers, and the school administrative department. We welcome you all to our Vidya Shakti science session. My name is Ashwita Malnad and I'm your science tutor. Hope you all are doing great, isn't it? So, how was your day, children? Was it bright? Happy? Okay. So, we welcome you all for today's session. So, in today's session, it is a very important and effective session for those who want to learn the atoms and molecules chapter because this is one of the most important chapter that you have in your syllabus. Okay. Meanwhile, we have so many good evening messages. Good evening to all my dear student. How are you, ma'am? Ma'am is doing great. Thank you so much, Belagola School. Hope you're doing good. Well, having said that, in today's chapter, we'll just learn a little of multiple choice question, just a 5 question, and post that we will have some question and answer session, which, of course, without me telling, also you're actively participating. But in this way, let us see in a question and answer session how well we can articulate it and make a note of it. Meanwhile, we have checked our audio quality. Hope I'm audible to all of you because from our technical team, we have got a green signal. So I think I must be clear to all of you, right? Well, having said that, let me quickly share my screen. We are ready to learn. Very great. I'm ready to teach you all. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen. Hope you all can see the screen here. This chapter is regarding atoms and molecules. I have few questions that I have posted here. I'll read it out for you. Don't worry, you did not note this question. ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಇಂದ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ MCQ ಜೊತೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಾಚ್ ಆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ವಿತ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Which of the following statement is not true about an atom? ಆಟಮ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಈ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಆಯ್ಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ಲಿ. ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರವಾಗಿ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2, ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಯನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. Okay. Option C, atoms are always neutral in nature. Option D, atoms aggregate in large number to form the matter that we can see, feel or touch. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಟೇಕ್ ಯೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಮಯವನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾದಂತಹ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನ ಕೊಡಿ. See, I see most of the students given the wrong answer, but we have got the right answer from KRCRS Belagola School. Very good. They have given the right answer. I Mangala. Even you have given the right answer. Dr. Ambedkar Residential School Sahapur, Beltur School, Balki School. You all have given the right answer. So right answer is ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಾವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಬೇಡ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಸರಿ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಪ್ಪಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಸುಮಾರಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಿರಾ. ಅದು ಸುಳ್ಳು. ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಯನ್ಸ್. ಅದರಿಂದನೇ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ, ಪರಮಾಣುವಿನಿಂದ ಅಣುಗಳು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸರಿ ಇದೆ. ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ದೇ ಇರೋದು ಬಂದು ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆರ್ ಟಚ್. ಈ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್? ಸೊ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪರಮಾಣುಗಳು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ ಅಣುಗಳು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ 19 CO2, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ 1GN2, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ 1GH2, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ 1GH4. So which of the following contains maximum number of molecule? Alessandra School, I'm speaking loudly itself. From our technical team also, our voice has been clear. Please check with your technical team. We again got so many answer. Alessandra School, you have given the right answer. Beltur School, right answer. 871955155752, right answer. Aimangala School, right answer. So right answer ಏನ್ madam? Right answer is 1GH2. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯ ಅಣುಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It has more number of molecules. Okay. Next, third question. Hope you all can see. A sample of NH3 molecule. See, I'm telling, let me read out the question to you. ಓಕೆ, ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗಷ್ಟೇ ಫೋನ್ ಮನೆಗ ಕರೋಡ್ಪತಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಶಾಲೆಯಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ಯಾರು ನಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಡೋದು? ಗುಡ್, ಅಮಿತಾಬ್ ಬಚ್ಚನ್. ಅವರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ನಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳೋದ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಹುಡುಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಡ, ಇದು ಕೇಳುವಂತ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ಹಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. So internet had a very disgraceful opinion about the child. But ಅದು ಆ ಮಗುವಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ತಪ್ಪನ್ನ ಹೊರಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Sometimes what happen, our over confidence may lead us wrong. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದಿರೋದು ವಿತ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಗಲ್ಲ. ವಿದ್ಯಾಶಕ್ತಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್. ಯಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ವಿದ್ಯಾಶಕ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಿದ್ಯಾಶಕ್ತಿ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್. Everyone need to learn. Everyone need to get a chance. Okay. So first ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸರಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಉತ್ತರ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ. See, for third question, I have not given the option yet, but I get so many answer, isn't it? So kindly wait down and listen to the answer. Okay, children? Okay. Question is like this. A sample of NH3 molecule, irrespective of source, contains 82.35% of nitrogen and 17.65% of hydrogen by mass. This data supports ಒಂದು law of ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಲಾನ ಯಾವ್ದದು? ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಸ್ ನ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಡೆಫಿನೈಟ್ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಆವೋಗಾಡ್ರೋಸ್ ಲಾ ನ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ? ಐ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಒನ್ ಹಿಂಟ್. ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಲಾ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವೊಂದು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 12th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ್ದದು ನೋಡೋಣ ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಜನ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ಅಯ್ಯಯ್ಯೋ, ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಡಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Ma'am, sound is not visible. Sound cannot be visible, child. Lokapura School. Sound can only be audible. Clear? Please check with your technical team since our voice is clear here. So what is the right answer? You have got the right answer from many of you. Very good. The right answer is law of definite proportions. Law of definite proportions, where the sample of NH3 molecule, irrespective of source, containing 82.35% nitrogen and 17.65% of hydrogen by mass, it supports law of definite proportions. Next, fourth question. The molecular formula of potassium nitrate. ಇದು ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. So the molecular formula of potassium nitrate is KNO3, KNO, KNO2, KON, ಕೋನ್ ಕೋನ್ ಕಹ ಇಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಸಹ ತಪ್ಪುತ್ರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮುರಗುಂಡಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಅಂಕೋಲಾ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಜಕ್ಕನಕಟ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ನಂದಿಗುಡಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಬಂಟ್ವಾಳ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಬಂತನಾಳ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, MDRS SC25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that the name of your school? MDRS KGF, IGRS 332, Ambedkar Residential School, numbering with 752, Kondarahalli School, Aimangala, Belagola, Talented Girls, Government High School, Yelladakere, KRCRS 420, Beltur, Yellasandra, Pallavahalli, KGF. I'm very happy. Balki, ACS. So all Novina Kere School. So all of you have given the right answer, children. Okay. Belagola School also has given the right answer. It's nothing but KNO3. Very good. Next, fifth question. An element X is divalent and another element Y is tetravalent. The compound formed by these two elements will be option A, XY, option B, XY2, option C, X2Y, option D, XY4. ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಸರಿಯಾದಂಥ ಉತ್ತರ? ಡೈವ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಟೆಟ್ರಾವ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Meanwhile, I shall pause for a minute. Gokul sir, is the audio quality right? Hello? Gokul sir, can you hear me? Hello? Okay, we have received a message saying that the audio quality is crisp and clear from our end. In case if the audio is not working rightly, I request once to check with the technical team. Students, I request you all, whoever school is complaining with regard to the audio quality, kindly check with your technical team because most of the school has been responding in the positive way that they can hear. Okay. So, yav school, I'll give you 30 seconds time. Please mention your school name where you're not able to follow the audio properly. ನಾನೀಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 30 seconds time ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Please mention the name of the school where the audio quality is not good. Those school ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ audio quality ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, please don't mention anything. ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, please mention. Yeah, I know many school you are saying audio is clear, that's fine. But the schools where the audio quality is not good, kindly mention your school name. Talented Girls, Government School, kindly wait for a minute. We will just get the information from other friends. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. I'll give you 30 seconds time. 30 seconds ಸಮಯ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ತಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. So that we will check with our coordinators what is the issue going on. Okay, time's up. I got only response from Bhalki School. ಬಲ್ಕಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಶಾಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬಲ್ಕಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. If any of the other school is facing issue, please contact the respective coordinator. So our coordinators will speak to you. Okay? So ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯನ
Ashwita ma'am, sorry
Yes,
to
sir.
interrupt. Yeah, from our side, audio is pakka, very clear, ma'am. No issues.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
No problem.
ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಐಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಒಂದ್ ಸಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, 10 ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ತೆಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಳೇ. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಧ್ಯತೆ, ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ನಾಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀ, ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯೂಟರ್, English tutor, anyone for that matter, we will repeat 100 times for you. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗದ್ ಮುಖ್ಯ ನಮ್ಗೆ than the coverage of portions. But if you are understanding, just to kill the time, ನಾನು ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋರು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇದು ಪಕ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, I'll tell you something. You're not just wasting your time, you're also wasting the time of the students who really wants to learn. ನಾವ್ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಆಟ ಆಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಕೊಬೋದಿತ್ತು. ನಾವ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಏನೋ ಹೊಸದ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಹೊಸ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನಾವ್ ಕಲಿಬಹುದು. ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ ಕಲ್ತು ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ನ ನಮ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ಗಳು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನಾವ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ತೊಂದ್ರೆನೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Right? So if you're doing it wantedly, I request you, please stop it right here. If not, ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಸರ್ವ್ ಯು. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಮಗು ಕಲಿಕೆಯು ಮುಖ್ಯ. 100 ಜನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರೂತ್ಫುಲ್. ನ್ಯಾಯಸಮ್ಮತವಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. Got it? Okay. I'm sorry for taking your time, disturbing you. Let us move forward. This particular question, I'll repeat it again for you. An element X is divalent and another element Y is tetravalent. The compound formed by these two elements will be option A, XY, option B, XY2, option C, X2Y, option D, X54. Talented Girls High School. So you are asking for the fourth option. Option D, it is X54. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಉತ್ತರ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನೀವು ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳ್ಸ್ಬಿಡಿ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ? Bulky school, you have noted down. Now we'll help you out, okay? If audio quality is not clear, definitely our coordinators is going to help you out. Good, we are getting good number of response. So the right answer ಬಂದು, ಸೊ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಬಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿ? ಅದು ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, XY. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಡೈವ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಟೆಟ್ರಾವ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್, ಈ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ XY2 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅನದರ್ 7 minutes ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. ಒಂದು ಸಲ, okay, one of the student has requested, I would repeat the question for you. The statement ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದಿತ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ಸಹ ಸರಿ ಇದೆ. ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಯನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್. ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್. ಈ ಮೂರು ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಸರಿ ಇದೆ. ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ದೇ ಇರೋ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಬಂದು ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ, ಫೀಲ್ ಆರ್ ಟಚ್. ಇದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ 1GH2. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಣುಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Next, DBRARS. school, you have raised your hand. Do you have something to tell? I can wait for you. Do you have something to tell? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's Girls Residential School. Children, I gave you more than 30 seconds time. ನಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಶಾಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇದ್ದು ನೌ ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೆಸೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅಥವಾ ಆಗ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದು ನೌ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Anyways, I'm noting down the name. If there is truly an audio problem, we'll help you on it. Okay? Yes. A sample of NH3 molecule, irrespective of source, contains 82.35% nitrogen and 17.65% of hydrogen by mass. This data supports law of definite proportion. The molecular formula of potassium nitrate is KNO3. An element X is divalent and another element Y is tetravalent. It compound bandu XY2 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Here I stop sharing the screen, and now that I'll write certain note on the board which you can make a note of it. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಂದ ಆಯ್ದಂತವಾಗಿರುತ್ತವೆ. So that it is easy for you to note down in your exam. Okay. ಇವತ್ತು maximum of this particular chapter na ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. Because of the issues and problems, we had to repeat it over and again. But let me tell you one thing. I thought of starting a new chapter from Monday, but since there was an issue, I shall be continuing it on Monday as well. Okay. Yes. So, Iga, I want you all to open your notebook. ಈಗ hydrogen and oxygen, if they combine in 1:8 ratio, so if they combine in 1:8 ratio by mass to form water, what mass of oxygen gas would be required to react completely with 3G of hydrogen? Can anyone answer? I repeat, ಇದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. Hydrogen and oxygen combine in the ratio of 1:8 by mass to form water. What mass of oxygen gas would be required to react completely with 3G of hydrogen gas? ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಬಲ್ಲಿರಿ? We have Kondarahalli school raising the hand, BBRARS school raising the hand. Do you have something to tell students? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Residential School, Sahapur. Very good. You gave the right answer. Betadur School, 397 School. Yellasandra School, Madanahalli Kolar School, Govinapalli. Very good students. Ankola, Yarenahalli School, Chitradurga, Kallabettu School. Okay. So, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Let us try and explain to them. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಹೋದಾಗ ಫಾರ್ ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಏನು? ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್. ಈ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ರೇಷಿಯೋ 1:8 ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಬಂದು 3g ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಅಥವಾ 3 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. 1:8 is equal to ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರು 3 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 1 ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 3 is to ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹಾಕೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬದ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತಿವಿ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತಿವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 8 ಇಂಟು 3. 8 ಮೂರ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು? 8 3 24. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 24. ಅಥವಾ ದ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಬಂದು 24 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, 24g ಹಾಕಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ 24 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಸಹ ನಾವು ಹಾಕಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಹಳೇಬೀಡು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಯು ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಮೀ ಟು ಶೇರ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್? Fine. In our Monday session, we shall continue the session in the Monday class. But I request you again, deliberately, if you are wanting to, if you're wanting to spend the time, this is very wrong. Okay. So I request you all to kindly respect the time. Thank you so much for your response. Thank you so much for the active participation. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashita ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Manasa ma'am?
ఒక్క నిమిషం. ఎస్.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Very happy evening, students. Yes. Hello.
Yes, please start the session. Yeah, please.
Yeah, sure. A very happy evening, friends. Hengidera ellaru. How are you? I hope your day went really well. So last class we had started up with the tenses. Correct. We had started up with tenses. Simple present means what? Important all. What is the structure of the sentence? Mostly we saw positive sentences. Today we'll be focusing on negative and interrogative sentences. Before that, as usual, we will start with a small quote as well as few things that we have to learn that is happening in and around India. Yeah, in and around India or already happened, which are yet to know. Right? Focus on progress, not perfection. ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಫೋಕಸ್ನ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಎತ್ತರವಾಗಿರೋ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ ಬದಲು ಇವತ್ ನಾನು ಈ ತಪ್ಪನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಈ ತಪ್ಪಿಂದ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಲರ್ನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ಟುಡೇ, ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವೈಸ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ so that it is going to be a better version of me. If you are thinking in that perspective, it will definitely lead to perfection. It will definitely lead to perfection, although you are not going to think about perfection. So please focus on progress. Yeah, so that will definitely lead you to perfection. Yes, I am speaking loudly and I am taking English class. I hope I am much audible. Is it, host? Gokul, can you let me know whether I'm much audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are loud and
Okay.
clear. No issues
Okay.
from our end.
Okay. If at all centers you're not able to hear my voice, kindly check the audio device that is being connected at your end. Okay. My side, everything is perfect. One moment, I'm sharing the screen. So often in the recent past, you've been looking at this rupee symbol, right? Rupee symbol. It isn't that RS that we use. We are commonly using this rupee symbol. So any idea who has designed it? Who has designed this rupee symbol? Any idea? This person is from India. The Indian rupee symbol was designed by Uday Kumar Dharmalingam. Okay, he is a postgraduate in design and he has postgraduated from Indian Institute of Technology, a prestigious institute. From when India started using it, from when we started using it and when it was approved by the government, it was approved by the government on July 15, 2010. July 15, 2010, it was approved by the government. Okay. So you can make note of it. This person, person who was responsible for designing this Indian rupee was Uday Kumar Dharmalingam. Yeah, he's this personality. In India, which place is called as Scotland of India? This place is from our own Karnataka as well. Which place is it? Many answers? In Scotland of India, is it Kolkata? Good guess, but not Kolkata. Yes, the clue is Karnataka, that which I gave. You need to guess from Karnataka which place it is. Which place from Karnataka it is being called. So, I gave it as a hint. Karnataka, which place is it? Kolar? No, not Kolar. It is Coorg. Coorg is being called as Scotland of India. Okay. City of Pearls, we call it as Hyderabad. Dream City, we call it as Mumbai. Silicon Valley of India, Bangalore. So Scotland of India, it is our own Coorg, which is being called so. So in this sentence, as usual, there is a small error. What is the error? Children are happy to see the deers. ಆ ಜಿಂಕೆಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಆ ಜಿಂಕೆಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಎರರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್? ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಲುಕ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಲಿ. You may be aware of it, might not be aware. If you are aware of it, please let me know. It is not about children are happy. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದಾರಂದ್ರೆ we'll be definitely using are. At the moment, something that is pertaining to present. Okay, good guess. It isn't pertaining to where. One of them have told me the right answer. It isn't dears, it is just dear ma'am. Very good. Because the word dear in its plural form also it retains as dear itself. It isn't dears. Like we say monkey, monkeys, donkey, donkeys, dog, dogs. Deer doesn't have a plural form as deers. It is just deer alone, even in plural form. ಬಹುವಚನವಾಗೂ ನೋಡುವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಆಗ ನಾವು ಡೀರ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಡಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ವೋಂಟ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಡಿಯರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. Happy that you have guessed what is the error in the given sentence. So only 3 questions for the day. So one was pertaining to Indian rupee symbol, another was Scotland of India, the third one was error in the given sentence. In simple present, how we formulate a negative sentence? I, we, you, they. It is very much clear. I, we, you, they, he, she, it are the subjects that we commonly use. So where we use, how do we use, when and how we use the negative form? Subject, do or does, along with that nt. Subject along with that do or does nt. Gokul's screen is very much clear, right? Gokul? Can some other center let me know whether the screen isn't visible? Nan board al bariyadu yargu ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? It is visible or not visible? Okay, you are not able to see the words that I am writing in green color. Okay. ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸವಾದದ್ದು ಈಗ ನಡೀತಿಲ್ಲ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರೋ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಗ್ ನಾವು ಬರಿತೀವಿ? So interrogative refers to, thank you. If you are specific why it isn't visible, that would be good for me, because as in a board, it is clear from my end. Why it isn't clear, if you tell me specifically, I would rectify it. I would avoid using green on the board. Thank you for that. Subject plus do or does, then NT. What is this NT? NT denotes not. Instead of using not, I would be using NT, the contracted form. So when it comes to I, we, you, they, we use this do form of verb. Along with that, we write don't. That is in negative form. When we are trying to tell it, it is don't. That is they don't, they do not. They do not tell lies. Whereas when it comes to he, she, it is going to be this word, does. Along with this does not. ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸವಾದದ್ದು ಅವನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Does not. He doesn't tell lies. ಅವನು ಸುಳ್ಳೇ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. He doesn't tell lies. She doesn't speak ill about others. ಅವಳು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. She doesn't speak ill about others. It doesn't rain frequently. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಮಳೆ ಬೀಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. It doesn't rain every day. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ದಿನಾಗ್ಲೂ ಮಳೆ ಬೀಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So subject plus do or does. Along with that, we are adding the word not. Then comes the does he tell lies? It is in interrogative form of sentence. Very good. I don't like the chocolate. I don't. See, when it comes to subject as I, we tell don't. We do not eat chicken. ನಾವು ಚಿಕನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಗುಡ್. ನಾನು, ನಾವು, ನೀನು ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ನೀವು, ಅವರು, ಇಂತಹ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಡೂ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ನ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. When the subject is he, she, it, we use does. Along with that, not. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ isn't happening, it isn't having. So to convey it, what am I doing? I am writing it as does along with that not. Contracted form, it is doesn't. We don't like to waste the time. Yes, very good. You shouldn't waste the time. I don't like vegetables. You shouldn't say that. You should be like you should like vegetables. There is no option for you. You do not write a novel. Okay. Very nice examples. Quoting sentences really well. It doesn't drink milk. ಅದು ಹಾಲನ್ನ ಕುಡಿಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. It refers to, it can be a cat or a dog, anything that you are referring to. She doesn't tell lies. ಅವಳು ಸುಳ್ಳುಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. She doesn't tell lies. Nice. Now let us see in the sentence whether you are able to identify the negative form. One moment. So in simple present, we also use this helping verb is or are. She is not telling lies. ಅವಳು ಸುಳ್ಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. That comes for a continuous form. So mostly we use do or does. Along with that, not word has been accompanied. Very good. Examples that you are quoting, that you are telling is very nice. So when it comes in the form of a question, What do? This do or does comes in the beginning of the sentence itself. Then comes subject and the verb. Okay. My son makes his bed. Change into negative sentence. ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮಲ್ಗೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಅವನೇ ಆಸ್ಕೇನ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. My son not makes his bed. My son makes not his bed. My son doesn't make his bed. My son not making his bed. You can just say A, B, C instead of writing the entire sentence. Wow, super. Almost all the centers that have got the answers, they have widely chosen this option C. We dash love flying kites. I'm sorry. We dash love flying kites. The word is kites. Kites. ಗಾಳಿಪಟನ ಬಿಡೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Kites. We dash love flying kites. We do not. We does not. Option A. Uniformly we check. Exactly. When the subject is we, it is do along with that negative form. Not. The children dash making noise. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಶಬ್ದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. The children are not, is not, am not, does not. A. It isn't B. When it is in plural form, it is not. Is not. She dash brushing her hair. ಅವಳು ಕೂದಲ್ನ ಬಾಚ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸನ ಅವಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes, exactly. Is not. When it comes to is, it is he, she, it for which we use is. Are, it is used for plural form, also for you. He dash got new books. ಅವನು ಹೊಸ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಕ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಥರ ಹೇಳೋಣ. He have not got a. Is it correct? Some of them have told me have not. Has not. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. C. A long C. I dash finished my homework. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. Have not. Correct. We dash play tennis every morning. ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಏನು ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ನ ಆಟ ಆಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಹೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ನಾವು ಆಟ ಆಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. We does not, we are not, we do not, is not. We do not. Exactly. Great. Alex dash brush his teeth twice a day. ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ವಿ? How would we say if at all the sentence was in positive form? ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಆಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಹಳ್ಳನ 2 ಸತಿ ಉಜ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ? Alex brushes his teeth. Exactly. Alex brushes his teeth. After the verb, we are adding S or ES. Here it ends with SH. We need to add ES to it. As the sentence to be changed is in negative form, Alex does not, doesn't. Here does not word is there, so we use it. If it was positive, brushes. That is it. They dash talk too much. ಅವ್ರು ತುಂಬಾ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರೇನು ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. They do not. It is they. It is plural form, third person plural form. That is so. That is the reason. A last one. Last question. I dash play today. I am sick. ನನಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಆಟ ಆಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಟ ಆಡಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. I cannot. Okay. This sentence, the options which were given was ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So that's why we chose cannot. Do, does are the mostly used verbs that we use for those things that doesn't happen. So today we saw many sentences that were in negative form pertaining to simple present. I thought of telling you one more thing, that is in upcoming week, that is 27th and 28th, we would be having a test wherein you need to fill in the answers in bubble sheet. Okay, you need to, thanks for letting me know that the questions were very good. Thank you for that feedback. What I wanted to say is, upcoming week, 27th and 28th of November, you would be having a multiple choice session wherein the questions would be given to you. You need to fill in the answers in bubble sheet. How you need to fill in that bubble sheet, I would be showing a video. Please look into it carefully. If you are not being given this bubble sheet, you need to write it. How you have to see. Please don't leave the session. You need to have a look into this video before leaving. Okay? Just a moment. Please wait for 2 minutes. ಹೇಗೆ ಆ ಬಬಲ್ ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಮನದಿಂದ ನೋಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ಗಿವನ್. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಲಿಸನ್ ಟು ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, please listen carefully.
Welcome to Vidya Shakti MCQ answering system. Your school would have been given a bubble sheet. This is called a bubble sheet. In this, first you have to write school name. Remember, you should write school name only in English in capital letters. For example, I am writing CS Hara Hua. This is only example. I write this as example, but you should write your school name like this in English in capital letters only. Try to write in big letters, not small letters. Okay, this is the first thing. Second thing is test number. Before starting the MCQ exam, Vidya Shakti teacher will display a test number on the screen. You should write that number here. For example, I am writing 146. This is only for example. Actually, Vidya Shakti teacher will display that number. Each test is different. Only that number you should write. This is only for example. Next thing is roll number. In your school, as per attendance, you will be given a roll number. That number you should write. For example, if your roll number is 104, you should write 104 in these 3 boxes. If your, again this is example only, in case your roll number is 2 digit, for example 34, you should write 34 like this. In case your roll number is only single digit, for example 5, you should write like this. Hope this is clear. Again, the roll number, test number, school name, these are all examples that I have given. You should write the actual ones for your school and your roll number. Don't do anything on this roll number bubbles below that. Okay, 0 to 9 is given. Don't do anything on that. The next thing is, Vidya Shakti teacher will be displaying one question at a time on the screen. That question will have 4 options, answer options A, B, C, D. You should think, write, shade or color the correct bubble. This is same like Nipun exam. For the first question, if the answer is B, you should write, you should shade B. Use black pen. Do not use pencil. Either black pen or blue pen. Don't use pencil. You should write, you should shade this bubble. Then the Vidya Shakti teacher will show the second question. For that question, what is the right answer? If the right answer is D, again you shade this like this. Shade it fully, okay? Do not smudge. Do not shade two bubbles at all. For one question, there should be only one answer. So, do not shade two bubbles. If you have made it wrong, leave it. I repeat, this is only for example. For the right answer, based on the question, you should shade the correct bubble. Like this, all the 20 questions you will be shading. Do not write anything else on the bubble sheet. This is very, very important. Do not write your name. Do not write your class. Do not write your section. Do not. Only school name, test number and roll number should be there. All the answer bubbles you should correctly shade. Do not smudge. Do not crumple this paper. This is very, very important. The paper should be clean. Do not write anything. Do not put any line anywhere. This is important. If any of these sheets do have any lines or unwanted shading or unwanted names, etc., that answer paper will be rejected. Thank you. All the best. Jai Vidya Shakti. Jai Hind.
One moment, there is one more video. You need to have a look into it if at all you are not given a bubble sheet. Please hold on.
Welcome to Vidya Shakti MCQ answering system. This is a handwritten answer sheet. Those schools which have not received MCQ bubble sheets, they can use this thing. You should use only the ruled notebook. Do not use unruled notebook. This is the first thing. Ruled notebook only must be used. First thing should be school. You have to manually write school. Write everything in big capital letters. School. Then after that, for example, I write CS Hara Hua. This is example only. You should write your school name. It should be only in English. It should be only in capital letters. It should be in big letters. Okay. Second thing is test. T-E-S-T. There's a colon symbol there. Test. Before starting the test, Vidya Shakti teacher will display the test number. Each test is different. That test number you should write. For example, if the teacher displays 153, you should write like this. This is example only. Whatever the Vidya Shakti teacher displays, that test number you should write here. And write legibly. Do not strike anything. Do not score out anything. Next thing is roll number. This roll number is as per the attendance. For example, if your roll number is 74, you write 74 like this. Whatever is the roll number that is given as per the attendance in your school, you should write this. Again, the school name, test number, roll number, these are all the examples that I have written. Don't write this. You should write your actual school name, the test number displayed by Vidya Shakti teacher, and the roll number of you, actual roll number of you. Then Vidya Shakti teacher will display question. One by one teacher will display. For the first question, you should read, think, choose the correct answer. If the first question correct answer is B, write B. Again, do not score out, do not strike. If you have written wrongly, leave it, no problem. Okay. These questions are for only understanding, not for evaluation. Okay. For then Vidyashakti teacher will display the second question. For that question, if the answer is C, again to write C. For the third question, if the answer is A, right answer is A. The answers B, C, A that I have written, these are all only for examples. For each question, what is the correct answer? You should write that. Like this, all the 20 questions, Vidyashakti teacher will display. You should choose the correct answer, write that particular thing. For example, if and for the question number 5, you have written, say for example, this is D. For question number 5, you do not know the answer. Do not leave it blank. Write something A, B, C or D. Do not leave it. Do not leave it blank. If you do not know the answer, write at least A or B or C or D. Don't leave it. Right. The next thing is very, very important. Do not write your name on this sheet. Do not write your class. Do not write your section. Do not draw any line or put any drawing. Do not do anything else apart from this. Question 1 to 10 should be like this. 11 to 20 should be on the right hand side. It should be 1 followed by dot, 2 followed by dot, same way, 10 followed by dot, same way on the right hand side. Leave some gap here between left hand side row, right hand side row, 11, 12 dot, 13 dot. Do not put like open bracket, 11 close bracket. Do not do like that. Do not put any angle brackets. Do not put any arrow marks. It should be, the question should be number dot. Answer should be either A or B or C or D in capital letters only. If you put arrow marks, if you put brackets, if you put angle brackets, or if you draw any line, if you smudge this or crumple this paper, that answer paper will be rejected. These answers and names I have given only for examples. You should write the actual ones when the test is going on. Thank you. All the best. Jai Vidya Shakti. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.
Sure. So coming week, you will be having the multiple choice questions. The sheets would be, you would be receiving it before the test is being conducted. Don't worry about it. To know about the rules only, I had played this video. Sir has told you very clearly. So we will be having the text next week. Okay. I hope the session today it was interesting and you have understood it clearly about the negative sentences in simple present tense. So that is it for the day. Thank you so much, children, teachers, and coordinators. Have a great day ahead. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Vidya Shakti.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.